Jai Gurudev children, happy Friday! Are you all ready? Come on quick! Haven't you packed your bags? Go quickly, pack some snacks, water bottle, wear comfortable footwear. Now you know where we are going on a field trip and we are going to vegetable garden. Come, let us go quickly without wasting time. First, we shall go around the garden observing the plants and the vegetables. Then we'll talk about them. Okay, children? Be careful while walking in the garden. Do not stamp the plant or the vegetables. These are tomatoes. They are not ripe. After few days, they'll turn to red. And do not pluck them. This is a cabbage field. Can you see the cabbages? They are looking like a football. These are cucumbers. We make salad out of it, right? These are white brinjals. There are purple and black variety too. What is this? Bitter gourd. Have you heard of? This one? Green chilies. It's spicy, hot. These are bell peppers, red bell peppers. Look at their shape. It's so beautiful. They are called bottle gourds. This is a tomato sapling. Observe the leaves carefully, children. Look at their shapes. Now the plant is grown and there are green tomatoes too. But the tomatoes what we see are red in color. But what we see here is green. Why do you think so? Yes, these are not ready. That means these are unripe. After few days, it will turn to orange. See, you can see the orange tomatoes. The color is changing slowly from green to orange and then from orange to red. Bright red tomatoes are ready. These are ripe now and ready to eat. Children, do we need to cook tomatoes? Not necessarily. We can eat raw tomatoes also, right? We use them in salads. Yes, and also to make ketchups and sauce. Yes, tomatoes are tasty and juicy. These are cabbages. Can you see this? Yes, these are the leaves. What we eat are the leaves. It looks like a flower, right? Yes, but these are the leaves. These are cucumber plants. Cucumbers can be eaten raw like tomatoes or even cooked. Cucumbers are generally used in salads. What vegetable is this? It looks like my finger. Yes, it's lady's finger. Children, observe the yellow flower over there in the first picture. Yeah, after few days, it will turn into a small lady's finger, a baby. It will grow little by little. In the first picture, you can see the different stages. In the second picture, you can see the lady's finger which is grown and it is ready to eat. Children, when we cut the lady's finger, this is how it looks. Can you see the seeds? There are many. One seed is enough to grow it into a plant. Such a small seed, imagine it grows to such height and it will yield so many ladies' finger. One small seed. Nature is full of wonder, isn't it, children? Now, what can you see in this picture? Bindi fry. Who all likes bindi fry? Raise your hand. Oh, most of you. That's good. Even I like them too. This is a brinjal sapling. Observe the leaves. They are very different from that of tomatoes. Could you observe that? Yes. And they bear purple flowers. Yes, purple. Yeah, brinjal. See, there are so many varieties. Black brinjal, purple, green, then green round brinjal, purple round brinjal. This is really huge. It's called eggplant. Observe the picture carefully and tell me which vegetable plant is this? Coriander? No, no. See, this is a coriander plant. But what I showed you is not coriander. I'll show you again. Observe. Huh? Now you know it's not a coriander plant. Then what can it be? You need a hint? Yes, I will. Now can you guess? Yes, it's a carrot plant. Can you see them growing? But why couldn't you see in the first picture? Because the carrots were hiding under the ground, right? Now this one? Yes, come on, quickly guess. You can't. You can't see the vegetable, right? Because this is also hidden in the ground like carrots. Now can you guess? Yes, these are onions. This vegetable is used all over the world. Can you recognize this plant, children? Yes, it's a beans plant. Can you see the flowers? Pink flowers? Looking at that, we can't even imagine that would grow into a long beans like this, isn't it? And look at the second picture. So many beans in one plant. For all this, can you see the small bean over here? A seed? Yes, this single seed will grow into a big plant and gives many more beans like them. Can you see that? What are these? These look like balls in the field. What are these? Pumpkins, correct. Look at this garden. Can you tell what vegetable is grown over here? Sometimes looking at the plant, it is very difficult to recognize the vegetable. Come, let us dig and see. Oh, these are potatoes. I couldn't make out looking at the plant. These were hiding under the ground. So potatoes grows under the ground. Only the plant is visible. What plant is this? Which part of the plant do we eat over here? It's palak. We eat the leaves of this plant. The whole plant can be eaten. Whenever you think of palak, what comes to your mind? Mmm, yummy palak paneer. Looking at this, your mouth is watering, right? Yes, everyone loves gobi manchuri. Gobi is it's the Hindi name for cauliflower. This is cauliflower Manchurian. When we went around the garden, we could see few vegetables directly. Some were hiding under the ground and some were behind the leaves. We also observed that small seed can grow into a big plant or a tree and bear so many fruits or vegetables, right? Such tiny ones. And there were plants which couldn't stand straight. They were so weak, but still they grow huge fruits or vegetables like pumpkins. Right, we saw that, right? So all these are wonders of nature. We can't even imagine. And the flowers, small pink flowers turning into huge vegetables, long vegetables. The vegetables are of different color, shapes, sizes, different taste. Each one has its own importance. And every vegetable is very healthy for us. So, what should we do, children? What do you think we can do? Yes, we should grow vegetables and eat them too. Most of us may not have the garden or field to grow vegetables, but there is a possibility. We can grow them in pots on the terrace of the house. You can grow coriander, pudina, all these little small plants in pots, and they'll grow quickly also. You will enjoy seeing them grow. Ask your mama, take some coriander seeds and sow them in a pot. After 10 days, when you observe, you can see the small plants growing. You will really be very curious to see them. Okay, try this at home. Like vegetables, each one of us are different. We have our own strengths. We are special in our own way. We are never weak. Like pumpkin plant, it may look weak, but it has the strength to grow a big pumpkin. Same way we may be young or small, but we have the strength or the power to change the world. It's what we believe, children. So, think big, do big. That's it for today. See you in next class. Jai Gurudev.